I'm special edition. Alright, today I've got these Cadbury Twirl Bites strawberry flavour, and they were picked up in B&M for $2.99. So there you go. It's not really a Bonnie bag, but there's a few in there. Maybe it's just me, but I think $2.99 is a bit overpriced. Anyway, they're from Tasmania, and I was just trying to think, who else is from Tasmania?
Tasty, put the Tasmania, down to Tasmania, come to Tasmania. Really
There you go. Anyway, so there's the pack. Let's crack them open and see what they're all about. Oh, they proper stink of strawberry. They smell of that sweet, you know, the roses sweet, the strawberry one, whichever that is. Now, I don't think I get many in there, to be honest. Look at that. I feel jibbed. Look at that. Big pack like that, and that is not even half full. But what can you do? These bloody Tasmanians. I'll tell you what, they're all right. I think they're a bit sickly. They're all right. I could eat them. If I was on a desert island in need of some sort of food, I would eat them. I wouldn't go out of my way to buy them, I don't think. I think I'd just prefer the normal Twirl Bites. So, there you go. Oh, I've not put the nutritional information up. Oh, I'm so sorry. What I'll do is I'll shove it on my Instagram. Links to that are all there. Anyway, thanks for watching. Smash a like, subscribe. Catch you on the next video. See you later.